this is Savage Turtle 41. I'm make soup for another episode of Lazy Cooking, and I decided to just make this video. So you put in 2 bouillon cubes, or however you pronounce them, of chicken flavor into a pot of 4 cups of water. Bring that to a boil. This is going to be a very simple soup. See, so you put in some broccoli now. Make sure to wash hands. That is very important. One. I don't know. I'm just going to put in however much I want. This broccoli. Flavor. And taste. Ouch. And that's pretty good. Now, you add in some turkey or chicken, whichever one you want. Cut into as big or small of cubes as you want. Make sure it's pre-cooked. Just a little bit more there. Sweet. Now you mix that a little. Very nice, very nice. What? That's fine. Tastes good. Hot though, pretty hot. Onion powder or chopped onion. In this case, this is dried chopped onion. So yeah. I like my onions. I'm gonna make this. You mix that again. Add in some garlic salt or garlic and salt, garlic powder, or crushed cloves of garlic, and then some salt. I'm just gonna use a garlic salt for convenience. Yeah, that's good. I like a garlic and salt. I don't know. I like some garlicky stuff. And now, since I was pretty much all done and everything's warm and stuff, I'm gonna just try a bit of the turkey. It's hot. Warm. So yeah, it's good. But that's it. While mixing until it gets a little bit more hot. And oh yeah, by this time, if it's boiling too much, so you put in the bouillon cubes, and then 4 cups of water, two chicken flavored bouillon cubes, then 4 cups of water. Bring that to a boil first before you put anything in. Then put in some broccoli and some vegetables. I'm just using broccoli because that's the only a vegetable that I have right now. And then once that's cooked / softened a bit, you just add in some pre-cooked chicken / turkey, and then you put in either cooked or raw pasta. This is pre-cooked, so I'm going to put it in now. And if it's not cooked pasta and you still have to cook it, just put it in the soup, and then wait till the pasta floats. And then basically, if you cook / boil pasta, any pasta, you'll know if it's done if it floats. And this is a pretty thick soup, so it'll be a good soup. I like me some thick soups. And I also like stew and stuff. I like stuff. I like a bunch of stuff. And make sure to actually put the lid back on the garlic salt. Try a bit of pasta and see if it's warm. Perfect. Now the soup is done. Ready to enjoy. I'll see all you in the next video. See ya.